Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of black screen on Discord. To know how to fix or how to solve black screen on Discord app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window of Discord and you can click. Then we will enter to for stop and you can click OK. Then we will go to storage and you can click. After that you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us